Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to buy mutual fund using angel broking platform. So what exactly process to buy mutual fund, short-term mutual fund or long-term mutual fund? I am providing detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. First of all, open your angel broking trading account. If you have no idea how to open angel broking trading account, I already make a video how to create an angel broking account. You watch the same playlist like a mutual fund playlist. What exactly process to open angel broking account? I open my angel broking account. Here is my angel broking account. This is my specific ID. You just simply click here in the more option. Here mutual fund options are there. After entering the more mutual fund, you just simply click the mutual fund. And now here some mutual funds options are there. Lump sum mutual fund, SIP means monthly mutual fund. So we can go with lump sum mutual fund. So I just select here ICICI Prudential Fund growth, because of that one is quite amazing. Some months ago I invest here in 20,000 and just only 4 months I am earning more than 10,000. So now I withdraw those money and now I am again buy this ICICI Prudential all session bond fund directly growth, and now I am investing here lump sum as a 50,000 and just simply invest here. And here is my bank account. I already added my bank account here in ICICI bank account. This is my DB ID and just place the order. Now I connect my ICICI bank. I just simply add here my username, password, automatically deduct my money, and the mutual fund process start the ongoing very easily. So I am doing this process. So after buying this mutual fund, I invest 50,000. Here lump sum order book is available here. Look at this here. I buy this mutual fund today only, now in process ongoing. So tomorrow this mutual fund is automatically comes in my mutual fund options in this particular. Now this is a progress. Wait like in a 12 hours or working day, single working day is automatically display on your particular mutual fund options, but you need take time. So you just simply comes portfolio and here mutual fund options are available, and the mutual fund automatically comes here in a second line like Aditya Birla Sun Life Saving Fund Growth. So second options comes here in ICICI Prudential Direct Growth Fund. So it's quite simple to invest your money in mutual fund using angel broking. No matter for you are buying the Aditya Birla, ICICI, you can buy anyone which mutual fund you want buy. Accordingly, you just search and buy and invest your money, earn much more as you expect. It's quite simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.